Hi there, so today I thought I'm going to be sharing with you my new Quilter Planner 2019 which I've just received, and I'm just going to browse through these and while comparing it to my current planner, which is the Erin Condren planner. So I've got this and I'm using this since June 2018, and I've loved this planner. I am a planner girl and I do love planning my day so that everything got done, and I'm the kind of girl who loves to kind of like look at and reflect of what I've actually achieved in a day. So this one is a customized one and I chose this pattern, which is the stitch in time, I think I'm not mistaken, and I love using this one. But I'm going to be talking about Quilter's Planner 2019, which I've just received and I am in love with it. So if you want to compare it with the EC planner or the Erin Condren planner, it is a little bit bigger, but I guess I'm going to be using this one for bringing everywhere, and this Erin Condren one has like just blocks, and I usually just put like checklists of what am I going to do for that day and kind of like checked it off as I go through the days. But this one has a time and I'm loving that options. So I'm going to be using it in 2019 as a desktop planner, which I'm going to put it in the sewing room, and I'm going to be like reflecting on things mostly about quilting and my blog in this planner. So I love this hard shiny cover, and I chose the navy floral. Of course I love navy and I love floral, and I love Bonnie and Camille as well. So at the beginning you have like gold planning. I've already written a little bit in gold planning, and then you have a grid like paper over here. So I love that options because then I can just like, you know, kind of draw some quilt patterns. And then you have January, you have all the beautiful tabs down here, which I love. And you have the monthly spread. You also have monthly goals, personal projects, and quilting projects. I do think that this is a bit too dark to write, but I'm probably going to stick some stickers or like kind of try to write over this. And I love the simplicity of this, and I can just fill it in. So the weekly spread is written in like hours, so I love that options. And we also have one quilt blocks each week, and there's also a habit tracker, which is lovely, personal to-do list, quilting to-do list, which is important for this quilter's planner, shopping list, and notes. I love this notes area. Probably can put some gratitude or reflections of the week as well. And there's three dots at the top. I guess it's for top three things that you can write and check it off as you go through the day, or you probably can write 3 grateful things in the morning, which I love to do as well. So this is the second week, and you have instead of a block you have a tip, and that goes every single week. So you have a block week and then a tip week, so that's going to be interesting. And as I just go past through, there's a couple of beautiful dashboards, and all of this quilt is available in the Quilters magazine, which I'm going to go through. And at the end of the month you have a free kind of like squares. I think I'm going to be using this every month to kind of just play around with creativity and try and create some new blocks or quilts patterns. So all that goes through all the way to December, and then at the back you also have patterns and some more places to play around with your ideas, and also projects. And this is my favorite spread, I guess. It's a project at the glance, and you can actually write all of your projects. I hope it's enough for 2019. There's 2 spread of that. And then there's a project planner, which there is also a little grid-like structure there, and then you have all these things you do as well, which is fun. You also have a big dotted space on this side to actually fill in, and that's kind of really fun, and I can't wait to use that. There's a couple of that, and then there's also more grid lights. There's also swap planner and also B block and swap projects. So if you're into that, you can actually keep track of that in this planner as well, which is good. And there's also references, which are the common references that you will be using in quilting. It's just fun, some colors and also more notes. I love it so far, so I can't wait to use that in 2019. I'll be sharing a lot more of this. If you plan to get one, I put a link down below so that you can get one currently, and then you can get started in 2019. You also get this Quilter's planner with it. Of course, I think you have to order it separately, but they come in bundles together as well. And this is just beautiful. I love this quilt. So there is a sew along, I think, with it, and I'm not sure whether I have enough time, but I am excited to actually, you know, try and make time for that as well. So inside there's Camille, who designed this pattern, and she designed most of the beautiful fabrics that you've seen. You've probably known her already. So there's two different patterns for this quilter's planner, and I've chosen this one. You might also like this one, which is a lighter color and a simple more. So there's a lot of talk in there, and then there's a pattern for the cover quilt. And then there's also other patterns which are lovely, like this one. I love this one. I'm definitely going to make this one because I love small things and small piecing. And I also love this one because it's a rainbow color and it's just simplicity. And there's a couple more in there which you can just look. And this one is an English paper piecing, which is fun. And you also have some more of this pattern. So I think that with all the patterns that's given in this, is totally worth it. I love looking at these magazines, and yeah, I guess that's it for the first impression on the Quilter's planner, and I can't wait for 2019 to actually really use it. For the time being, I am going to be finishing or like continuing with the easy planner. This one goes up to July next year because I bought the 18-month one and I just can't live without my planner. Okay, I'll see you next time. So if you are interested in this planner as well, I'll give you a link to get a $10 off. You can get that through down below. You can check them out because it's customizable. I love the customizable part, and it's just so much fun. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.